Morning Message, Lesson Day 9, English. Good morning, first grade crew. Miss Julia again. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. We're almost done with our second week of distance learning. Great job, friends. One of our Aspika values is appreciation. Your teachers appreciate the efforts you've made to continue your learning this week. Think of someone who has helped you with your learning this week, a parent, family member, or other helpful person, and let them know you appreciate them. Today you will learn how to deal with hard emotions and how to share them with others, how to use single-digit sums to support solutions for analogous sums to 40, how to add detailed steps to your writing, and how to find connections between two pieces of information in a text. As always, your teachers are here to help you and your parents if you have any questions or need some extra support. Have a fantastic Friday, and we'll see you next week. Love, Mr. CJ, Ms. Nadia Rose, Miss Giovanni.